Hi, this is Kibo, and this is a review of something really old school. It's Granzort, Mado King Granzort, and this, it says, is made by Takara, who was the original toy maker for the ones in Japan, but this one is made in China, and I don't even know if it's a knockoff or not. Just close up. It does have the Takara logo and the Sunrise logo, but quality wise it's not that great. I don't know if it's because it's an old kit, so it's not that great. The plastics are okay. The stickers still say Sunrise, made in China. Instruction sheet is just one piece. Nothing special. So this little guy required a lot of painting, and just to show you how crappy my painting is, I used Tamiya paint, and I did not know that I had to thin the paint. So please excuse me while I fix this first. Okay, there. As I was saying, I didn't know I had to thin the paint, and I unknowingly used flat blue and flat yellow, and I was like, why is this blue so ugly? It has no shine at all. And that's because I used flat. I painted this blue, this yellow. I used a Gundam marker to paint the outline of this red because it was just a white piece. These yellow parts came with it. The shoulder, this is a semi-clear plastic red, and for some reason the head is even lighter in color. I had to paint the white part on the little fins, and this thing goes back up. It can transform, but I probably don't want to because, as you saw, it was like falling apart already. Again, these are the clear red parts, and it's just white sticker. These can barely move. I guess I could push this up so you see the eyes. The waist, you can only move it forward and backwards. Oh, the head, barely move it. The arms, you can only move it this far before it comes off again. And the arm itself is kind of loose. So here's the arm. The hand, the fingers are all stuck together, so you just stick whatever weapon in. The legs are kind of loose as well. This whole thing is just falling apart. Eventually I might just have to repaint it once I get better at painting and just glue it all together. The ankles are completely loose, I think because they need it to transform, but somehow it's way too loose. The knees can bend just slightly. Again, I painted this part red, otherwise it's just all white. This part too. Again, this part as well. And it's supposed to look like this, which I think looks nice, but my painting's just horrible. And this is what it looks like when it's transformed. And that's it. This one is number 16, and I do have others. Because the quality was so crappy, I don't want to really build it yet. Not until I get better at painting it. So that's it. Thanks for watching.